everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Also, my name is Krutika Ziman, and in today's video I am going to try Y2K and Pinterest inspired hairstyles, which are so easy and simple yet so trendy, which you can try. It hardly takes few minutes. So without further ado, let's begin. And before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and do watch this video till end. And if you like it, don't forget to hit that like button and comment down your favorite hairstyle. So let's begin. So my first hairstyle, it's very simple. I am going to do braided hairstyle. So for that I have done middle partition already, you can see. So now what you have to do is take few strands like this. So I'm taking starting from here, like, yeah. So this are my, and start braiding your hair. First hairstyle, you can see I have put my hairs back and ये braid को आगे लिया है, and this looks so super cute and super chic. Also, I have done some more braids at the back side, and this gives texture to my hair and looks very funky and like cute. So this was our first hairstyle. Do is take a scrunchie and keep this front and just tie your hair at the back. And this is our second look, and this is how it looks. I know you may not be comfortable carrying such, but it looks cute and chic, and you can see how cute it looks. Now time for our second hairstyle. I have opened my hair and combed it again. So our second hairstyle is very simple. Like I have shown this in my previous video too, but that was a ponytail. Here it's little different. So what we have to do is first take आगे वाला part थोड़ा सा and tie a rubber band like this. Now after doing this, what you have to do is don't take आगे वाला hairs, take पीछे वाला hairs like this from here. And now I am going to tie rubber band on this particular hairs only at alag distance. So here first, then on the same strand I will do here. So after doing this, what you have to do is start pulling your hair. I am done, and this is how it looks. You can see, and I'm super happy with the results. Like it should look like this, and let me give you a closer. And this looks super cute. I'm just in love with this hairstyle, and this looks so aesthetic, I would say, and also gives so much of that 2000 and Y2K wala vibes. And I'm happy with this. So time for our third hairstyle, which is very easy. Remove some flicks like this and tie your hairs easy. ऐसे पीछे with a rubber band. Just I'm tying roughly. Now take a scarf, any scarf will do, or bandana you can say, and tie it like this. It should be like this, and then remove your rubber band and open your hairs. And this is our third hairstyle, which is very cute and stylish. You can see, and I'm done. So our fourth hairstyle is just divide your hairs in two parts like this. Now take a rubber band and make a ponytail first. This is first, and for second just do like this, and this is our fourth. Do it the same. Let's do the same on this side. One round, and for second round just remove half hairs, and this is our fourth hairstyle. Now again remove some flicks. This is our fourth hairstyle. So for the fifth hairstyle, what you have to do is do a middle partition like this, and keep your hairs and take okay, so this should look like this. Take tic tac pens and just okay. So our fifth hairstyle is also ready. You can see, okay, it's a little messy here, but it's okay. Just pull the hairs, and here's our fifth hairstyle. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Do hit that like button, and we'll meet you next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, take care, and bye.